Good morning, children. Let us take page number 74 from our English literature book. See, as I explained to you in my previous class, that green finch is in danger and Peter is saving that particular boat. Okay, now you see the last line, you see. Peter shouted to Hedy to come and help him, for he could not get up and was afraid of pulling out the goat's leg together. So, Peter had fallen over there, could not get up and was afraid. So, Peter has already fallen there because he wanted to save. So, it has or he has been on the ground and he is holding the leg of that particular green finch. And now he is afraid to pull out the goat's leg together. Now, if Peter pulls that particular goat, there will be some problem and that goat will face. There will be some fracture or it may break also. So, Peter is altogether very much afraid to pull that goat. So now he is shouting and calling to Hedy for help. Page number 75. Page 75. First paragraph. Hedy had already run up and she was at once the danger both Peter and the animal were in. So Hedy had already run. So Hedy immediately rushed. Hedy immediately came to the place where Greenfinch and Peter were there. And she saw at once the danger both Peter and the animal were in. So both this Hedy, this particular girl, saw both Peter and Greenfinch. Both were in danger. They both were about to fall in the ditch below. If they would have fallen, they would have been dead or they would have died. So now seeing this particular danger, this particular girl is also very much afraid. Next line. She quickly gathered a branch of sweet smelling leaves. She quickly, immediately, without any delay, she immediately gathered some leaves, sweet smelling leaves. For what? For this particular goat. So that this goat will not move here and there, so that it will remain quiet. So this particular girl has already gathered some leaves. Once again you see. She quickly gathered a bunch of sweet smelling leaves and then holding them under Greenfinch's nose, said coaxingly, Come, come, Greenfinch, you must not be naughty. See, this particular girl called Hedy is telling to this particular girl, this goat, you see, you must not be naughty, you may see. Before that, you see, coaxingly, you see. Coaxingly meaning, you see, it is there, you see, gently trying to make the sheep agree. Gently, you see. Gently trying to make the sheep or goat agree. That means you don't move here and there. In other words, remain wherever you are. Otherwise, what will happen? You will fall down in the ditch. Greenfinch knows and said coaxingly, Come, come, Greenfinch, You must not be naughty. You must not be naughty. You must not be mischievous. You must not be too outgoing, in other words. Because you are going alone and you are finding yourself difficult situation or you are in problem. So, you should not go. Now, next line. Look, you might fall down there and break your leg. And that would give you dreadful pain. Dreadful pain, lot of pain. See? If you break your leg, it will be very, very dangerous and dreadful. See here a lot of pain. A lot of pain you will be getting. So it will be very, very dangerous and dreadful thing for you. So that she is trying to understand this particular goat that don't move your body. Wherever you are, you remain there quietly, and Peter and myself will save you, we will rescue you from danger, and thus you will not break your leg, your head, and your other parts of the body parts. So, this way, this particular girl is telling or consoling this particular goat called Greenfinch. Okay. Once again, look, you might fall down. You might fall down there and break your leg. You may break your leg, the body parts will be broken, and that would give you dreadful pain, and then you will be in danger, you will be in problem. So, my dear Greenfinch, remain and don't move. We will save you, and then they will save this particular goat from death. So, my dear children, the remaining portion I will continue in my next class. Thank you very much to everyone.